What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing great. So, a client passed by, wanted a case, wanted a power supply, and a few fans for the case. So, he passed by, he got 750 watts gold from Corsair, which is fully modular, and got and took a pack of fans as well as this case. A pack of three fans in total, wanted one exhaust and two intakes, and he also wanted one extra one. So he got this pack of three of the Nyota fans, which are actually amazing. They light up quite well, and so we installed all the fans for him. As he proceeded at home, he said he's very much capable of installing the rest of the parts, the motherboard and everything else. And here's the case. It is a front mesh MATX size case, which is actually amazing. So you can get these in MATX and you can also get it in ATX size. A variety of cases are available, so do visit us.